Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Pin to Screen in Wix Studio so you can create sticky navigation, floating call to action buttons, or social media icons that stay fixed in place while your viewers scroll through your professional software tutorials in 2026. Let's get into it. First, open Wix Studio and select the element to pin. The first step is identifying which element should remain static on the screen. In Wix Studio, Pin to Screen is a powerful tool for improving user experience because it keeps essential links, like your Forex analysis charts or subscribe buttons, always within reach of your audience. Log in to your Wix Studio editor, navigate to the page you are designing, and click on the specific image, button, or container you want to fix in place. Ensure the blue selection box appears around the element, confirming it is the active target for your pinning logic. You don't want to pin every element, as that would clutter your design. Choosing a single high-value item ensures your candid layout remains clean while still providing constant access to your most important content. Next, open the Inspector panel on the right. To access the professional pinning settings, you need to use the Design sidebar. In 2026, Wix Studio has consolidated these advanced positioning tools into the Inspector to keep your workspace organized. With the element selected, look at the Inspector panel sliding out from the right side of your screen. Click on the Design tab, the paintbrush icon, and scroll down to the Position or Layout section. The Inspector panel is the Studio Control Center. It allows you to move beyond basic drag and drop and enter the world of fixed positioning, which is essential for creating high-end modern websites that feel custom-coded. Next, change position type to pinned. By default, most elements are set to docked or relative, meaning they move up and down as the user scrolls. We're going to change that behavior. Find the Position drop-down menu in the Inspector. Change the setting from default or docked to pinned. Once you select pinned, a small grid icon will appear showing 9 different anchor points: top left, center, bottom right, etc. This ensures that even as your viewers scroll down through long-form software guides, your pinned element remains perfectly still in their field of vision. And that's pretty much it. To use Pin to Screen in 2026, select your element in Wix Studio and open the Inspector panel on the right. Change the position type to pinned. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.